that he was missing from town at the time, so she didn't survive. It was very difficult for me to move past for many years. You have the scar that reminds you, every day of what happened, and yet you don't have anything physical you can hold on to. The preeclampsia has not shown itself with this pregnancy. However, I've had other issues that I'm dealing with.
Any nausea, vomiting?
That's fine.
Okay.